Hello friends, I am Dipanshu, student of 10th grade of Murti Global School. Today we are going to discuss about COVID-19, which stands for coronavirus disease. The points which we are going to discuss are introduction, from where it was originated, how does it spread, its symptoms, treatment and precautions. First of all, the introduction. The coronavirus is an infectious disease which spreads from the infected person to the healthy person. And it was originated in Wuhan, which was a city in China. How does it spread? It spread from the infected person to the healthy person, as earlier I have told. And also the main reason is saliva. While while an infected person is sneezing, the particles moves out from his mouth and mixes with the air and might be taken by the healthy person. Its symptoms are headache, fever, cough and cold, difficulty in breathing, etc. And a treatment. As every disease have its treatment, but this disease doesn't have any specific treatment. But to make your immune system strong, you can avoid the cold things. And at last, we are discussing about precautions. The precautions of this disease are avoid handshaking with others, cover your mouth with mask while going outside. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.